If you're wondering why the hell am I looking like this, be sure to watch this video. And please do give it a thumbs up if you did like it. If you didn't, just subscribe anyway. Just look at all of this mess. I'm black from the waist down. Bye. Guys, you're watching Yumi and Fifi. This is a very awkward position I'm in. Yeah, if you can see. I'm going to tell you a little bit about what we do with this four-wheeler in just a few minutes. First of all, I just want to say thank you for all my viewers and my few subscribers. You're not a million yet, or will ever be, but thank you guys so much for supporting my channel and taking the time to watch my videos. I hope you guys had a wonderful Christmas and a wonderful New Year and just enjoyed it with your family. Whoa, that's a big one. Woo! Okay. Okay, here it comes again. Off-road. I'm a glamour toad sometimes, not all of the time, but I do like a little bit of nature as well. Wow, that was a big one. Woo! Here we go again. Okay, what we do is we take this four-wheeler to this like little lake, dam, river. We call it a Soutpan. Yes, if you're Afrikaans, you will know where we're at. And then we just have a little bit of fun. And today is all about spending some time with wonderful people and family and friends and just have an awesome time. I had my hair done, so I thought that I won't be able to go four-wheeler. Just look at that view. Oh, woohoo! So I thought that I won't be able to drive on the four-wheeler, but I will. See you guys soon.